Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to edit picture in Word document, what you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to edit picture in Word document. Just click on the picture and here just you can increase the size or decrease the size. And then click on picture format. Here crop, if you want to crop, just okay, we will crop this part. After that click enter and then here picture border for theme colors, here for example blue. Other thing here for corrections, just click on it and here you can select the sharpen, soften, and here for brightness. For example this one. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to edit picture in Word document. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.